Hi everyone, and welcome back to Taslima Maya Art, kickstarting the Creative Art Collective this Wednesday. And today I'm going to be showing you how I top coat my bookmarks using Let's Resin UV Resin. A warm thank you to my subscribers, viewers and Patreon members. Thank you for supporting my channel. And don't forget, up after me is the lovely Patty from Let's Pour with Patty, followed by the wonderful Casey from CWV Artistry. Do stay on after me. So first off, these are some bookmarks I made a while back, but I'm going to top coat them, and I've already prepped the bookmark with painter's tape on the back. And you can see I'm using these gorgeous chrome markers from Let's Resin. This is gold, just to cover the sides to make it look a little bit more fancier, and I love how that links in with some of the beautiful Arabic gold writing and the lovely gold leaf you see embedded in the bookmarks as well. I think it gives it that lovely finishing touch. And here's my clear hard type UV resin from the wonderful people at Let's Resin. And remember, you can warm the resin up as well to make it flow easier by putting it in a warm tepid water bath or using a resin warmer. So I'm going to place a little bit of resin right across the surface, a very thin layer of the UV resin. And there's a number of ways of spreading this resin out. You can just use a silicone spatula or any kind of silicone stick just to move that resin around the surface, and being careful enough not to get it spilled across the sides. However, because the back is taped up with the painter's tape, it doesn't really matter if it goes across the sides and covers that gold that you've just painted on as well. It will help to protect that gold in the future, so it's up to you how carefully you do it. You can just go straight in with your gloved hands and spread it across, or simply be very careful and just keep it on the surface. It really is up to you. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you watching have done top coating before, so if there's any tips or tricks you have, please feel free to share them down in the comments below. And these are small pieces that I'm top coating, not paintings. I will do a future video showing you me top coating paintings and coasters as such, but this particular video is just showing you on smaller craft pieces. I will also go in a moment with my finger cots so I can gently spread the resin from edge to edge and make sure everything is smooth and even. And I do have a look at it from all different angles to make sure that there's no bits that I've missed, there's no dips or hollows in the top coat of that resin lying across the top of the bookmarks. So here are my finger cots. I didn't actually know what these were when I first arrived, but they are really useful when you're just trying not to get too much resin all over your gloved hands and just doing simple little DIY things like this. Anyway, how is your day going? I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. I love hearing from you, so let me know where you are in the world if you're watching this. Now, I do this for each of the bookmarks, and I go back in sometimes when there's not enough resin and make sure there is enough resin on top. You can see the reverse of that there as well with the painter's tape. And once that's done, I'm going to pop it under my Let's Resin UV lamp and make sure that that hardens up really nice and cures properly. I'll play a bit of music for you whilst I do this and you watch, and I'll come back in a moment.
Give me love, give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way, don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand, look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here, I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer, I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. if you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything, as long as I can be here with you. Everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have.
So once the layer looks good, I make sure there's no bubbles or any kind of air trapped in that layer. I go over it with a heat gun very quickly just to smooth that out and get rid of any bubbles. And then I'll place it under my Let's Resin double-sided UV lamp, and this lamp cures both top and bottom at the same time. So if you've got resin on the sides, it really helps. And the coat hardens quickly and really beautifully. I normally then leave it for a few hours, and then when it's hardened and I know there's no more uncured resin, I let my lovely 5-year-old daughter Sarah take the painter's tape off the back, and it can be quite fiddly, but I think she managed super well. I was very proud of her. She's always so excited to get involved in mummy's projects that she's always begging to do things, so I let her do this bit. And all of that extra resin that was down the side, any bits that dripped, came off with the painter's tape, so it was perfect. So I leave you to watch the last few minutes. Thank you so much for being on this journey with us and supporting my channel. I appreciate every single one of you. I hope this video helped. That's it, a simple glossy top coat that makes your bookmarks look amazing. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this in the future. And don't forget, every Wednesday at 6 PM UK, 1 PM EST, we have the Creative Art Collective for you. And up next will be the lovely Patty from Let's Pour with Patty, then Casey from CWV Artistry. Bye for now.